Question 12 says find the HCF of 18, 40 and 48. Now we know the traditional method of finding the HCF takes more time, so it's better we use this LCM method of finding the HCF to save our time. So we rule our lines. We have 18, 40 and 48. So we have our prime numbers as 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Like known, we start with the smallest prime number, and in this case the prime number that we're using when it comes to HCF method is that we have to make sure that prime number can go in the 3 values, or if it were 2 values, we'll make sure it can go in both of them. If it were 4 values, we'll make sure that prime number we're using can go in all 4. So we start with 2 can go in the 3 of them, 2 can go in 18, 2 can go in 40 and 2 can go in 48. So we'll go with 2 in 18. 2 in 18 is 9, or 18 divided by 2 is 9. 40 divided by 2, or 2 in 40 is 20. Then 2 in 48 is 24. We have now seen that 2 can go in all of these numbers, and 2 can go in 9, so we can't use 2. 3 can go in 9 but can't go in 20, so we can't use 3. 5 can go in 20 but not 9 and 24, and there's no number less than 9 that can go in 3 of them. That is a prime number, and the last prime number less than 9 is 7, and 7 cannot go in the 3 of them. We therefore know the HCF of these 3 numbers, that's 18, 40 and 48, is 2. So our answer is A, 2. To prove that we are right, or to prove that the common HCF method will still give us the same answer, we'll take 18 first. We'll break it down to its product of its prime numbers. So we say 2 in 18, 9. 2 cannot go in 9. We take the next prime number, which is 3. 3 in 9, 3. 3 in 3, 1. So we have 2 times 3 times 3, that's 18. Then we'll take the next one, which is 40. 2 in 40, that's 20. 2 in 20, that's 10. 2 in 10, we have 5. 2 can't go in 5, 3 can't go in 5, then 5 in 5, which is the next prime number, 1. So 40 as a product of its prime numbers is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So we know 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. And the last number, which is 48, we go 2 in 48 is 24. 2 in 24 is 12. 2 in 12 is 6. 2 in 6 is 3. 3 in 3, because 2 can't go, 3 in 3, 1. And we know 48 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 2s and 1 3. So we have 48 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. We look at the 3 numbers, we can see that they only have 2 in common. This has 2, this has 2, and this has 2. 18 and 48 are the 2 numbers that have 3 in them, and only 40 has 5 in it. So the HCF is therefore 2, which is the same answer using 2 different methods. And I know from now on you prefer the first method because it saves you time and stress.